5 класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание, страница 78. English, Spotlight 5. At work, homework page 78. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 78. 78. At work. Exercise number 1. Match the people in the picture to their jobs. What endings do we use? Сопоставьте людей на картинках с их работой. The answer. Mr. Brown is a painter. Mrs. Perkins is a doctor. Mr. Simpson is a baker. Mr. Jones is a teacher. Mr. Wilson is a waiter. Mr. Green is a mechanic. Miss Smith is a taxi driver. Mr. Williams is a postman. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. What are the people doing? Что эти люди делают? Anne and Lynn are talking. Mr. Jones is saying goodbye to the children. Mr. Brown is painting the hospital. Mr. Simpson, Mrs. Harris is looking at the postman. Mr. Green is repairing a car. Mrs. Perkins is waiting for the ambulance. Mr. Williams is delivering a letter to the Mrs. Harris. Miss Smith is driving a taxi. Mr. Wilson is serving drinks. Tony is reading a book. We must do exercise number 3. Letter A. Reading. Чтение. The sentences are from the dialogue between two friends. What is it about? Listen, read and check. Эти предложения из разговора двух друзей. О чем диалог? Послушайте, прочитайте и проверьте. Repeat after me. Hi, Mike. What are you doing? I'm waiting for my dad. He's painting this hospital. Is he a painter? Yes, he is. I sometimes meet him after school. Then we catch the bus home. What does your dad do? He is a teacher. Look, there he is, across the road. He is waving goodbye to the children. We usually walk home together. Come and meet him. Okay, and then you can meet my dad. Okay, let's go. What are you doing? I'm waiting for my dad. What does your dad do? Come and meet him. Okay, let's go. The answer. Two boys are talking about their father's jobs. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3, letter B. Read again. What do Mike's dad and James' dad do? Прочитайте диалог снова. Что делают отцы Майка и Джеймса? The answer. Mike's father is a painter. He is painting a hospital. James' father is a teacher. He is waving goodbye to the children. My dear friends, the lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white. Spring is green.